At Arrow, we enable the benefits of medical technology at scale, first and foremost through a robust and reliable supply chain. That's critical for our customers and suppliers. But bringing it a little closer to home for me, when I think of medical technology through the lens of engineering, we are privileged to have an industry-leading premier line card that gives our customers access to best-in-breed technologies that are critical technology building blocks to be able to design, develop, and deploy any type of a medical application. In particular, secure embedded processing, sensing, wireless connectivity, and we are the destination for analog high precision technology. We combine those technologies with our eInfochips engineering services that leverages domain expertise that allows us to be able to create system level solutions as well as reference designs that will give access to our customers for free that can really accelerate their time to market. The medical ecosystem is extremely complex. It's very vast. When I think about even the complexities in just the workflows, you've got a clinical workflow, you've got remote patient monitoring workflows, and think of all of the stakeholders. You've got insurance providers, you've got regulatory bodies, you've got policymakers, and then of course we've got pharmaceutical manufacturers and those companies that make medical devices. At Arrow, we are maniacally focused on the medical device segment, specifically around Class 1, Class 2A, and Class 2B type of applications. For example, patient monitoring, diagnostics, fitness, as well as personal care. The diagnostic equipment market today is rapidly expanding through demands for both more advanced equipment that deliver more precision, as well as equipment that's non-invasive. There's a lot of other growth drivers around diagnostics today. For me, I think of the economic pressures and the cost of healthcare. There's regulatory standards and continuous changes. You've also got technology innovation, which is a significant driver, but the largest driver of all is likely the changes in demographics today. The emphasis on early and accurate diagnosis is transforming the way that healthcare is actually delivered today. It's delivering a much better patient experience and better patient outcomes, as well as reducing the cost of overall healthcare. There's a number of high growth applications today that are really pushing the boundaries of what's possible, and we're now starting to see those technology advancements get integrated into those applications, and they're now becoming practical applications. If I think of applications such as blood glucose monitors, critical application for the monitoring and management of blood sugars, and when you think about the prevalence of diabetes worldwide, that's an application that's in high demand today. Another good application would be infusion pumps. Again, this is an essential application for the administration and the delivery of very precise medication for chronic illnesses such as cancer. And then another application that really comes to mind immediately is the world of dialysis. We all know that the number of cases are continuing to increase for kidney illnesses, and it's imperative that we've got a means to be able to administer that in a much more efficient manner, in a much more patient-friendly type of environment as well. At Arrow, we think and we live in the world of 5 years out. But what's interesting about the medical industry is it's no longer about just monitoring, condition monitoring. It's about an evolution that finds ourselves today in the reality of an Internet of Medical Things, where we're now seeing real life, vast deployments of predictive maintenance. There are many different examples that you can possibly think of. But if I do take it a little step further and start to maybe stretch more into the 5 years out type of realm, for me, I think about technological innovations in areas such as artificial intelligence, especially for robotic surgery systems. I think about remote patient monitoring, implants, as well as wearables, and how we're taking real life, real time insights and even making autonomous decisions based on that data. I also think about 3D printing and how 3D printing can really help advance the development of prosthetics as well as the advancements around implants. And of course, you've got medical robots. And medical robots today are becoming much more relevant in terms of administering and delivering critical surgery applications, as well as, who knows, down the road could actually be even doing physiotherapy in your home, for example. These innovations are expected to lead to a much more personalized, preventative, and accessible healthcare system that will deliver a much better and higher quality of life for us all.